Welcome to the course Introduction to Web3. I am Anjali and I'll be your guide for this course. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about Bitcoins and know the basic fundamentals of the Bitcoin cryptocurrency. So, as we know that Bitcoin is one of the first widely accepted cryptocurrency, or we could say a digital money. It allows for secure and seamless peer-to-peer transactions on the internet. So, as we know that Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, and now that we have learned about the blockchain technology, what is it, and what are the consensus protocols, and we've discussed about how the blockchain technology it allows for peer-to-peer transactions on the internet, and that Bitcoin is just a protocol which is based on the blockchain technology. And Bitcoin was one of the first cryptocurrencies to be introduced to the world, and it was created by a pseudonymous person known as Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008. So we do not know the identity of this person, and it's a pseudonymous name. But this was the white paper was published in 2008, and since then it has been into this market. So, as I told you, it is based on the blockchain technology. And as we have discussed in the last lesson, it follows the proof of work consensus protocol. So, as we had discussed, consensus protocol means a procedure through which all the members of the network, of the blockchain network, they agree on the state of the blockchain. So, in proof of work, as we had discussed, that the miners they are supposed to solve a very high on computation complex puzzle, cryptographic puzzle, which requires a lot of computational energy. And once the miner is successful, the miner which is successful in solving that puzzle, and the results get validated by the other candidate miners. And once the results are validated that the puzzle has been solved in the righteous manner and it's a fair thing, and then that miner is allowed to add that new block to the blockchain and is given a block reward. So, Bitcoin has the largest market value, so market capitalization, largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, and also trading volume. So, till now, Bitcoin is the most popular cryptocurrency out there, and there is one point. It's always in cryptocurrencies. Always the number of the total number of the bitcoins is fixed. And for example, in case of Bitcoin, it is 21 million. So only 21 million bitcoins will ever be created. For Bitcoin and all the trading exchanges, decentralized exchanges we have. So it is the BTC, and BTC is used to refer bitcoins. And as I told you, it's world's first widely accepted cryptocurrency, and it's world's first completely open payment network. We call it open payment network because here it's completely dependent on the two people who want to transact, and there is no intervention of any central authority or a financial institution which is needed. So it's an open payment network. And the process by which bitcoins are generated, so as I told you that there are miners who try to create new blocks and add it to it, the whole process of this, of adding new blocks to the blockchain, is known as mining. So in mining is a term which is common in the blockchain phase. And also in the case of bitcoins, when you adding new bitcoins would mean that mining of bitcoins. We never say that we are creating new bitcoins, we say we are mining new bitcoins. So mining is the term which is used for the process of creating new bitcoins. And as we have discussed, now this process of mining, it uses the proof of work consensus protocol to add new bitcoins to the blockchain. Mining also serves to maintain the security and the integrity of all Bitcoin transactions that take place on the network. So, mining is not only adding a new Bitcoin, but also preventing the security of the existing network. And that's what is the whole role of proof of work. And it's deliberately made a complex puzzle so that it takes time for miners to solve one problem, so that in case the miners want to hack the system, then they will have to solve those, they'll have to make changes to all the blocks present in the network. And that would really be next to impossible, because it will be very, very time consuming, because adding one block takes a lot of energy, computational energy, and it is costly affair. So mining basically is not only done to add new, so there are two purposes which it solves. One is it helps us adding new block to the blockchain, and second is it helps us in promoting in ensuring the security of and integrity of the chain also. So it's very difficult to hack the Bitcoin blockchain. So that is it about the fundamentals of Bitcoin. See you in the next